Today I'm going to show you how to change your font size in Android Studio in a very simple way. So on Windows, you go to your File, Settings, your Editor, and then Font. But on Mac OS, you go to Android Studio, your Preferences, your Editor, and then Font, and you're able to change your font size there easily. I'm going to demonstrate how to do this on Mac OS since that is what I use. So this is my Android Studio on Mac OS, and to change the font size of my text here, I'm just going to go to Android Studio, Preferences, click Expand on my editor, choose Font, and here in my size I can change my font size. So I'm going to change this to 20, and then I hit Apply. Immediately you see that my text has changed. The size of my text has changed. This app, you can also change the line height to 1.8, apply, and immediately you see the difference. You also have the chance to change your font size to whatever you want. So this is it. Remember that on Windows it is File, Settings, Editor, and Font. But on Mac OS it is Android Studio, Preferences, Editor, and Font. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice time.